Okay, coming across and looking at commodities, this is CL. So off the low the other week in mid-August, I've got 5 up to here for what I'm counting as the micro degree 1 of this 5 of C of 3. And this projects up into the high 80s. So that level off the daily chart up at 91 looks more likely than the 77, 78 area if this count is the correct count. Thus far, I've got an ABC back right into the 618, and we started to push up on Friday. Thus far, that low's hold. I'm looking for it to continue to do so, and then push up into 3, 4, 5 to continue the pattern to the upside. Now, if I come down and look at this in an hourly time frame, there's that hit. It was also the 1.0 A equals C relationship right into the 618. We need to take out 69.59 to start to prove that the low is actually in or confirm it. And then 15-minute chart. Now, I've not done the bottom up fibs as yet. What I'm looking for is this 69.53 or possibly as high as 71.28. That's the length of the one projected off this 2, if it is the 2. We need to see the initial move hit at least the 38.2 at 69.53 before a bigger pullback. So I think what we've possibly got here is as a diagonal forming, and where we've got a 1 up and a 2 back, we're going to get a 3, 4, 5, most likely to the 71.23, then a bigger 2 back before higher. Now, NG. So NG, we've got this A down, B, 1, 2, and I was tracking another 1, 2 to the downside. This seems to have morphed into a diagonal pattern on the smaller time frames, but that notwithstanding, I'm still looking for the 3, 4, 5 down to our target in NG at 22.65 to complete all of the final 5th of C of the intermediate degree wave 2. If I come down the time frames a little, this is the 4 hour, there's the 2. Now I think what we've got here is an A, B, C, 1, 2, A, B, C, 3, and you can see we hit the 1.0 extension last week and we just couldn't break through it and get down to the 123.6. I was looking for that and a small pullback. We've got a much bigger move to the upside today. I think we're in the 4 of a diagonal, and then we get the 5th down. So if I bring that down to an hourly time frame, if this is the bottom of the 3 that's come underneath the 1.0, then the 4 should come up into this target region here between the 50 and 764 of the 3 off the top of the 2. In which case, this should be the A, and we'll get a B, C. So if you come down to the 15-minute chart, I think what we've had today is an A wave up. We should see a B back, and then the C up into this region here. Now, the good news about all of this is at the moment, we're short NG off this 2 here, and using DGAS. If we're going to get a 1, 2, that's going to give us the opportunity to add the other 50% in DGAS. And what I'm also tempted to do, if we come down here to the 138.2 to 1618 and start to bounce, is bank the profits in DGAS and restrike the whole lot from higher. And the profits we make on that initial move should more than pay the risk element of the next entry up. And if we do see this, I will also be looking to take a short futures position and hold it for the swing in NG.